Well, we have here a patient that now presents for her 1 week follow-up after a trigger finger ultrasound release. She had older trigger finger in the past, which had been surgically addressed, and now she just wants to tell her story. Tell us a little bit about first about what's going on with the old trigger fingers.
Well, this hand I had 2 trigger fingers done, and what happened was it left me with a lot of horrible scar tissue, and it still does not close properly. That's a fact.
And this was done by the traditional surgery.
Yes.
Okay.
It is horrible. I had months of therapy with this. On this hand now, if you look good, you don't see anything. Surprise! This is where it's at. And the doctor did such a fantastic job. It was on a Friday. By Sunday, it was healed. No pain whatsoever, and I can do everything with my hand. Perfect. And I thank you, Dr. Gonzalez.
Well, it's always the pleasure to see this type of outcomes.
Yep. And I suffer with a lot of these, so he will be my doctor from now on.